Alright, this is what my garage lighting looked like before. Yeah, not great. So I figured it was time for an upgrade. I picked up these Hexagon lights from Amazon, and it comes with everything. Lights, brackets, screws, and all that lanyap. And first things first, I had to figure out what patterning I wanted. And this is what I came up with. And I had to plug it in to see what it looked like. And then, time to start putting it up one piece at a time. Slowly but surely, it started to come together. Alright, everything's up. Now it's time for the big reveal. And drum roll please. Oh yeah, that's way better. Completely changed the whole garage. Way brighter, and honestly it just looks a lot cleaner. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Cut. Cut it.